In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music on Capcut from Spotify. Now, before we dive right in, it's important to note that Spotify's music is copyright protected. This means you can't directly import a song from Spotify into Capcut. Instead, you'll need to first ensure that you legally obtain the music as an audio file, like an MP3. Now, you might be wondering how to do this legally. Well, there are plenty of music download services where you can buy tracks outright. Popular platforms like iTunes and Amazon offer extensive music collections, and when you purchase a song from these sites, you'll have an MP3 file that you're free to use in your editing projects. Once you've got your audio file in hand, it's time to move on to the editing platform. Start by opening Capcut and kicking off a new project. When you arrive at the main editing interface, you'll want to look for the audio button. This is your gateway to importing and manipulating sound in Capcut. Give it a tap and then navigate to Sounds followed by your audio. Here you'll see an option that says Select from Device. This is where you'll go to locate and add your newly obtained music file to Capcut. After selecting the music file from your device, it will get imported into Capcut. Next, you need to select this imported track and add it to your timeline. This step is crucial as it's where the actual process of integrating your chosen music with your visual content begins. You can drag the track left or right to synchronize it perfectly with your content, ensuring that every beat enhances the visuals. Throughout this process, you keep in mind the feel and flow of your project. Music has the power to dramatically alter the mood and pacing, so take some time to refine how it pairs with your video. Adjust the music's volume if necessary to ensure it complements rather than overpowers the dialogue or natural sound in your clips. This, in essence, is how you include music from Spotify into your Capcut project. It's about obtaining the right file, importing it in the correct way, and then layering it seamlessly into your video timeline. By understanding these steps and the importance of doing it legally and ethically, you're well on your way to enhancing your editing projects with the perfect soundtrack. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to refer back to this guide or reach out to the community for additional help. Thank you for watching and happy editing.